Russia has started delivering the S-400 Triumph surface-to-air missile systems to India. The deliveries are going as planned, Director of the Federal Service for Military Technical Cooperation Dmitry Shugiev told Sputnik ahead of the Dubai Air Show. Industry sources said the first parts of the squadron have already started reaching India, and they would be deployed on a location where it can take on threats from both Pakistan and Chinese airspace. According to sources, the parts of the missile systems are coming via both air and sea routes and would be quickly deployed on the designated locations. The first squadron delivery would be completed by the end of this year, and after its deployment, the Indian Air Force would start focusing towards the Eastern Front, they said. The IAF would also dedicate some of the resources for training its personnel within the country also. How will it affect the matrix with Pakistan? India may deploy at least 3 of its S-400 systems along the border with Pakistan, mostly to strike down incoming ballistic missiles. Pakistan's territory will be swept by the S-400's jamming-resistant radar. Given its lack of depth, any missile fired from Pakistan would come into the 600 km tracking range of the S-400 system almost immediately. This would give the system the longest possible time to respond and strike down the incoming threat. The same is true for any fighter jet, unmanned aerial vehicle, and cruise missile that Pakistan may try to use against India in the event of a conflict. Pakistan's plan to use battlefield nuclear weapons during a conflict will also be affected by the deployment of these systems. Military planners in Pakistan have often contended that they would use battlefield weapons on their soil to halt Indian thrust, bringing down the threshold of a nuclear war. These weapons, if fired, can theoretically be detected by the S-400 system and destroyed swiftly. To penetrate the S-400 cover, Pakistan would need to use a large number of missiles, fighters or drones to overwhelm the system's tracking capability. This would prove prohibitively expensive for Pakistan. Therefore, the deployment of the S-400 systems would dramatically affect Pakistan's strategy against India, forcing it to change its tactics. Some of these effects are already visible, with Pakistan rushing to induct Chinese surface-to-air missile systems to strengthen its defenses. Thank you everyone for watching this video.